नमस्कार, हम हैं बद्री
और हम हैं बद्री की दुल्हनिया
और आप हमें देख रहे हैं
ऑन टॉकिंग फिल्म्स विद फरीदून
ओनली ऑन बॉलीवुड।
वेल जिस इंटरव्यू का सालों से इंतजार है अब वरुण धवन एंड आलिया भट्ट के फैंस को, इट्स फाइनली हियर ऑन बॉलीवुड हंगामा। Today having you guys back on Bollywood हंगामा first of all.
Thank you Faridoon. We do very few interviews together because everyone knows we hate each other, so it's only for you.
I don't think so actually because
हमको एक दूसरे से
So Cold War.
Cold War. I don't think so.
नफरत है.
There was a Cold War.
I'll tell you something honestly. A friend of mine, he told me recently that we understand that Alia has a very good chemistry with Siddharth Malhotra in real life. But in real life, the sort of chemistry that she has with Varun Dhawan is simply crackling. Maybe it's the best chemistry that she has.
Actually, Siddharth also said that recently in an interview. He spoke about the film. They asked him about the film and the trailer, and he very sweetly actually praised the trailer and the film. So thank him for that actually.
Right. So आपको क्या कहना है इसके बारे में कि that real life में you share the best chemistry with Varun Dhawan?
I think I mean अच्छी बात है क्योंकि we are doing a love story together and we mostly have done only love stories, and that works well. But also because I think we have a comfort with one another. We know one another since student of the year.
Usually you have good chemistry with a person when you're friends with them.
जी.
And that's इसकी वजह से that chemistry is coming out because we are actual friends and there's nothing more. इसलिए.
And also because we also fight a lot, so there's constantly like a
friction.
Right.
So right now also we're fighting.
No, today we fought. We made up. I don't know.
You just said we're fighting right now. हम दोस्त नहीं हैं.
I said Cold War.
Cold War. We look through each other.
That
because you were being cold with me.
I'm not being cold right now.
You were earlier.
Okay, you know, there's a huge request from a lot of people that ये जो dialogue आपका है that एक बार बोल दिया ना कि कहीं नहीं करनी है शादी, नहीं समझ आता, बहुत घटिया हरकत किए हो हमारे घर रिश्ता बेच के. Do you remember this dialogue by any chance?
Yeah.
Can you please, because a lot of people they've been asking that if we would love to just listen to that. जो इसमें जो एक ग्राफ है उसके अंदर
बहुत ऐसे
जी exactly
बहुत अच्छा किया
आलिया जी.
कहाँ इस कैमरे में?
जी बिल्कुल. आप इनको देखकर भी कर सकते हैं. हाँ, I think that will look even better.
तुमको एक बार बोल दिए ना नहीं करनी है शादी, नहीं समझ आता, बहुत घटिया हरकत किए हो हमारे घर रिश्ता बेच के, अगली बार ना थाने में कंप्लेन कर देंगे, मोलेस्टेशन के जुर्म में सीधा अंदर जाओगे. तो ये बात अपने भेजे में घुसा कर तारा
क्या बात है. Okay,
but actually he was never so close, तो ये थोड़ा अजीब था.
No, it's fine. You know, recently Johnny LB2 has come and there's a dialogue that Saurabh Shukla says in the film. I don't know if you guys have seen the movie or not, but it says that Alia Bhatt is the best contribution of Mahesh Bhatt to Bollywood, and then he says after Saransh. तो आप इस बात से agree करते हैं? Do you agree with this?
सारांश बहुत बेहतरीन फिल्म है और it's one of my favorite films. In fact, Naam is also one of my favorite films. So I wouldn't say it's. I would feel that give her a few more years, she'll definitely become his best contribution, but it's still difficult to top those two films.
Right. And he compares you, basically calls you a concoction of Madhubala and Madhuri Dixit. And
how do you feel about that?
I think you should see. You should see that.
Would you like to say anything to Saurabh?
Yeah, I think you should actually.
You should say something.
He dances to your Shandar song as well.
On Gulabo?
Yeah, he dances.
I heard about it. You should say something.
He's outstanding on that.
You should say something right now through the medium of.
नहीं, I think जिन्होंने भी ये डायलॉग लिखा है
सुभाष कपूर.
हाँ, सुभाष जी. So I would say thank you to him for like consider that he considers this combination.
And Saurabh Shukla for his portrayal, but Saurabh Shukla is a brilliant actor. Saurabh sir for his dialect.
Dialogue.
His dialogue.
But you should see the entire body language, the way it is.
Thank you, but it really means a lot. Yeah, it really does. When there's any reference to me in any film, Sairat में भी था एक poster था, and I got so excited because Sairat is one of my favorite films of last year.
There was actually.
Yeah.
We have quite a few segments, and we have limited time, so let's come to the segments directly. I think you guys will enjoy that as well. So let's.
Any presents for us today?
There is.
Okay.
I know that आप लोग बगैर उसके
इंटरव्यू नहीं करते.
So now we have this quiz that you have done, but both of you together haven't done so far. Which is like how well do you know each other, considering that we are seeing these entire, and you can win something.
Especially since there's a Cold War.
क्या जीतने वाले? Oh wow.
So
Colourful
these are a few
It's a
chocolates that you can possibly
Oh,
win.
chockies.
So it's
Alia can take the chocolates में tray लेके
okay, so yes, basically
You love tray?
we would love tray.
yeah, so we would love to have
How
that
sweet.
entire competition.
Very sweet. Thank you.
Thought is what.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Is
much.
most
Thank you so much. So we'll start with the ladies first.
Ladies
if you're
first.
allowed.
It doesn't matter. Ladies are anyway first, but Alia Bhatt first.
Alia Bhatt first. Okay, so all right. Varun assisted Karan Johar in which of his renowned films? I can give you options if you want. Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, Student of the Year, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham, My Name is Khan.
My name is
1, 0, 1.
बस zero हरा दिया.
All right. What was Varun Dhawan's character's nickname in Main Tera Hero? Suni, Reenu, Seenu, Shrinu.
Sinu.
Seenu.
She had a crush on Sino for very long.
Acha, she did. Okay. In ABCD 2, the dance championship Varun and gang participate in happened where in US, New York, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, Chicago.
Vegas.
So it's
Big fan of ABC too.
3 out of 3. Alright. Okay, when is Varun Dhawan's birthday? Should I give you options?
24th April.
24th April. So it's 4 out of 4 so far. Alright, Varun studied business management from which university?
No one believes this, but
University of Oxford, Nottingham Trent University, Durham University.
Nottingham.
So it's 5 out of 5, Varun Dhawan. So and she has won it. She has in fact been quite categorical about it. So now let's see that how much do you know her?
her life is very mysterious because Alia Bhatt ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते अपने ज़ाती ज़िंदगी के बारे में.
ज़ाती ज़िंदगी?
Personal life.
Okay, that's very good good one as well. So how well does Varun Dhawan know Alia Bhatt? Okay, which film of Alia had this dialogue? अगर लोग रिपेयर नहीं हो सके क्या आप उन्हें भी
ये
रिसाइकिल?
जिंदगी.
Okay, 1 out of 1.
That's job.
Okay, Alia made an acting debut as child in which film? Janwar, Sangharsh, BB number
Sangharsh.
1. Sangharsh 2.
She auditioned for BB number 1. Very few people know this that वो गाना है ना मुझे माफ करना ओम साई राम क्योंकि आलिया बहुत अच्छी तरह गाती थी बचपन में भी. So she gave this audition near my dad singing it. वो live audition भी कर सकते
Not
हैं.
true.
Can you sing मुझे माफ करना ओम साई राम? सबसे पहले लूगी मम्मी डैडी का नाम.
Answer the question.
ऐसे
अभी I haven't asked the question.
संघर्ष.
ये आलिया भट्ट की हंसी के बारे में क्या कहना? You know this.
इन्फेक्शन ये मतलब जो जब वो बाइक स्टार्ट होती है
नहीं ऐसे
He's saying नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
ऐसे या वो एम्बेसडर गाड़ी के पीछे जो धुआं निकलता है ठक ठक.
But you're not failing at this metaphor. Please answer.
Okay. Alia won a first Filmfare Award for which film? Student of the Year, 2 States, Highway, Urta Punjab.
I think she won a Filmfare for Best Actor in Student of the Highway.
3 out of 3. Okay.
It was a
You
joke.
really fell flat.
It was a brilliant performance in Student of the Year by Yumi and Siddharth.
She recently did a cameo as a DJ in a film. If you can name the film.
One of the best cameos in recent time.
Okay.
It's a film called Aidil Mushkil in Breakup Song and she वो कैरेक्टर के अंदर बहुत घुस गई थी जो जिस तरीके का मेकअप किया था.
Okay.
और जिस एंड द हाइट भी उन्होंने उसमें कुछ हाइट नहीं पहना था हील्स नहीं पहना था.
हाइट
और
नहीं पहना था मतलब.
अनुष्का शर्मा और वो दिख रहे थे कि दोनों दोस्त हैं. That vibe of a trippy hippie DJ.
Okay. So it's like 4 out of 4. Okay. This was a critically acclaimed film of 2014 in which Alia had a blink and miss role. If you can name the film. Only.
She had Ugly. Anurag Kashyap. No?
Yes. So it's like 5 out of 5. Both of you know
Tiebreaker.
pretty well. So I think let's have a tiebreaker quickly. One question.
Neck
each.
to neck.
If in 10 seconds, if you can name 2 films of Varun that starts with the letter D.
Dilwale and Disho.
So she knows.
I was so shocked that she knows because they're not critically acclaimed.
Basically, it's like 10 seconds.
Oh, she knows. She does watch such cinema also.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Shocked.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Okay. इस हंसी पे हमें टीआरपी मिल जाती है. आपको अंदाजा नहीं है. शानदार में people watched and then mentioned that we rewatched the video.
Only to see the laugh.
Yeah. Okay. Alia sang a song in Highway. If you can name the song.
Suna sa. It's a very difficult word in Urdu or something. Suna. Na. What is it? That day you sang it, na?
Can't help you.
Suwa sa.
Close. Correct.
By a virtue of like a very decimal point, I think
that doesn't.
we'll have to. We can ask still one more question.
One more.
But I think considering आप लोग काफी जानते हैं एक दूसरे को.
जानते तो है, तो ये गेम खेलने का क्या
मजा नहीं आ रहा है. हाथ क्यों नहीं रहा है?
In math, the questions are very easy actually. In math, who from Ileana and Nargis gets Varun in the end?
Ileana.
It's like.
It was one of the greatest triangles ever made.
Okay, this one is very easy as well. Alia appeared in a short comedy video made by
Genius of the Year by AIB, directed by.
I think we should share it.
आप लोग बहुत जानते हैं दूसरे को. मुबारक आप लोगों को. And you can jointly share.
This tray, ये tray मेरा है.
Cold War.
I will take the tray.
Cold War.
Okay, now we have this section called Badri and Dulhania ki crazy dunya. There will be a few situations, some of it the references can be from the movie as well, from the promo that we've seen, and if you can be in your characters and if you can react to those situations together.
साथ पे करना है.
हाँ जी. वैदेही बद्री के फोन में कुछ चेक कर रही थी एंड उसे गैलरी में कुछ अश्लील वीडियोस मिले. बद्री खुद को कैसे डिफेंड करेंगे?
Okay. क्या ये क्या ये
फोन है?
तुम ये कहते हो कि तुम पढ़ाई कर रहे हो फोन पे, तुम ये देख रहे हो?
अरे तो रिसर्च तो करना पड़ेगा.
बताओ कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं?
कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट वो इंटरेस्ट होता है जो कंपाउंड होता है हर साल.
तुम चुप रहो, तुम ये देख रहे हो फोन पे?
अरे तो देखना पड़ता है ना कि साइंस
देखना पड़ता है?
रिप्रोडक्शन के लिए.
हाँ?
हमको कैसा पता चलेगा?
वो तो ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है ना. बद्री दिमाग इस्तेमाल करो है तो.
बट नहीं है ना, हमारे पास सिर्फ दिल है, इसलिए हम देखते हैं, पढ़ते हैं और देख के सीखते हैं.
ये तुम बहुत घटिया डिफेंस दे रहे हो हमको.
गलत क्या है इसमें? एक हाथी है और दूसरा हाथी है, वो लोग
तो
क्या करते हैं? गलत क्या? हाथियों को देखने में गलत क्या है? बताओ हमको. हाथी अगर ऐसे करता है तो क्या इंसान करता? ठीक है, हाथी का क्या करता है?
तुमको हाथी दिखाई देता है?
हाथी तो है.
क्या तुम्हारा चश्मा लग गया है तुम्हारा?
क्यों?
तो गॉगल पहनो तुम.
इतना साइज का कोई इंसान होगा तो हाथी नहीं बुलाए तो क्या बुलाए?
Okay, now the next situation, hypothetically, बद्री and his दुल्हनिया कुछ दिल की गहरी बातें करते समय बद्री ने वैदेही से पूछा. कुछ दिल की गहरी बातें करते समय बद्री ने वैदेही से पूछ लिया उसका कितने लोगों से फिजिकल कांटेक्ट रहा है. वैदेही का क्या जवाब रहेगा?
वैदेही, अब देखो हमारी शादी तो हो गई है पर कुछ बात आगे बढ़े.
हम जवाब नहीं देंगे.
वैदेही हमको
हम जवाब नहीं देंगे.
हमको पता करना है.
हमारी बेइज्जती कर रहे हो.
हम बेइज्जती कैसे कर रही है?
अगर कुछ होता तो हम तुमको बता देते ना. तो तुम क्यों पूछ रहे हो?
हमको ऐसा लगा.
कैसे लगा?
क्योंकि तुम बहुत खूबसूरत है तो हमको ऐसा लगा कि तुम्हारे
तो इसका क्या मतलब है? खूबसूरती से जो फिजिकल कांटेक्ट बनता है?
नहीं, पर हमको पता है कि पहले भी तुम्हारे
तुम भी खूबसूरत हो.
ऐसे किसी ने बोला नहीं हमको पहले. क्या? कि हम खूबसूरत.
तुम इतने बेचारे क्यों बनने में हाथ मारोगे?
तुम हमको बहुत दबा के रखते हो, हम बोल देते हैं.
मत पूछो हमको, हम तुमसे प्यार है.
वाह, that was wonderful. ओके, एक दिन वैदेही बद्री को शॉपिंग के लिए ले जाती है और बहुत कुछ खरीदती हैं ये सोच के कि बद्री के पास कैश होगा, बट बद्री के जेब में सिर्फ 52 रुपये थे. तो दोनों क्या करेंगे और रिएक्ट करेंगे एक दूसरे को उसके बाद?
हमको वो भी चाहिए, वो भी चाहिए, वो भी चाहिए.
अब पैसा खत्म हो गया, क्या करें हम?
खत्म हो गया?
हाँ, 52 रुपये का टॉफी ले लिया, हम खा लिए.
तो हम क्या करें अभी?
हमको पता नहीं, हमारा जो कार्ड है हम वो बाइक में छोड़ दिए.
तो हम यहाँ रुकेंगे, तुम घर जाओ, हमारे घर, हमारे पर्स में से पैसे निकाल के यहाँ.
हम तुम्हारे पैसे से कुछ नहीं लेंगे.
हाँ, क्यों? हमारा पैसे मतलब क्या?
नहीं, क्योंकि अभी
आप लगे उस पे.
तुम हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो.
तो
हम तुमसे प्यार करते, हम तुम्हारे लिए गिफ्ट.
तो हम तुमसे शादी प्यार नहीं करते?
पता नहीं, तुम हमारे लिए तो गिफ्ट नहीं खरीदे.
तुम ये ना, ये कैप लिए है, बनियान लिए है, टोपी लिए है,
तुम सब पहन लेते हो.
दारू लिए है जो तुम बहुत पीते हो रात को.
वैसे तुम कैसे बोल रहे हो? तुमको पता नहीं, बाद में
दारू पी के हाथी का फोटो दारू पी के तुम हाथी का फोटो देखते हो ना.
हमारी सारी चीजें ले लेती है लड़की.
तुम जाओ हमारे घर से, हमारे
पहले तुम हमारे चूज करो एक दो चीजें.
ऑलरेडी चूज किया है.
जिंदगी का हमको डीवीडी चाहिए, जो आलिया भट्टाचार्य है, जो भी
भट्टाचार्य नाम नहीं है उनका, तुम इज्जत से नाम लो. तुम्हारी बहन है.
बहन जैसी तो है।
हमारी बहन है, जुड़वा।
तुम्हारी जुड़वा बहन से तो शादी की तुमसे।
किसी पॉश क्लब में बद्री एंड वैदेही फ्राइडे नाइट को जाते हैं किसी पॉश क्लब में, एंड वहां पर 2-3 चाह के बद्री छिछोरा नाच करने लगता है, तो वैदेही कैसे रिएक्ट करेगी?
क्या कर रहे हो तुम?
नाच रहे हैं, तुमको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा?
कैसे नाच कर रहे हो?
अरे जैसे तुम भी नाच रही हो छिछोरे की तरह।
आपको मजा आ रहा है?
आओ।
तुमको आ रहा है मजा?
बहुत।
होली वाला
ऐसे लग रहा है कि इस क्लब से बहुत जल्दी हमको बाहर फेंकने वाले हैं।
क्यों? ये होली वाला क्लब है।
ये होली वाला क्लब नहीं, ऐसा कोई क्लब है ही नहीं। चलो बाहर जाते हैं खुद।
ठीक है।
स्ट्रीट पे डांस करते हैं।
कहाँ डांस करेंगे?
स्ट्रीट पे।
कैसे?
चलो चलो घर आ गए। बस कर। जब बद्री से अब कोई कहता है कि टेढ़ा मुंह करके क्यों स्माइल कर रहे हो, शाहरुख खान हो क्या, तो वो कैसे रिएक्ट करता है? तुम्हारा क्या जाता है, हमारा स्माइल, हमको स्माइल करना तो करेंगे हम।
मत देखो तुम।
I think because it was pretty good, I think pretty interesting, and I'm sure that it was. I'm sure that people will enjoy watching this. We have quite a few fan questions as well, so maybe let's take a few fan questions as well now. This is interesting. This is Varun well wishes for Varun. Will there be a? हाँ जी? We well wishers, correct. Will there be a third franchisee also for Badri?
I hope so. It all depends on लोग इस फिल्म को कैसे पसंद करते हैं. It all depends on how people go and watch the film, how much they love it. And honestly, this film is not. It's only been made because in Humpty we got a lot of love as a pair. So that's why we decided to come back. But I do feel maybe me and Alia should do a film of maybe a different texture. हम लोग को अभी surprise करना पड़ेगा लोगों को if we are coming back together in a film.
Okay. I think we should give We Well Wishes a big kiss
for all the love.
All the love and all this means a lot. I think they are very happy towards me also. Just keep quiet.
I love your love.
Just keep quiet. You know. Just say. Say fast. Varia means I am a part of the Varia. You're not alone Varia.
That's a very interesting thing. Actually, the sort of coinage that they have, that's like really interesting. This is Maitri for Alia after Dragon and Gully Boy. There is any film that you have signed? Any other film that you have signed?
Nothing that I can talk about right now. Mentally.
Right.
Rumors?
But you're doing a lot of films.
Like which films?
I don't name them.
So if you don't know, don't talk.
Ashiqui 3 is
On the cards.
on the cards.
So the cards of awaited sequel.
Weighted cards.
This is Alia Bhatt FC for Varun Dhawan. So आपके fan club भी जो है वो इनसे मुखातिब
But they also love him and
Okay, but the question is about her. Describe your relation with Alia in 3 words.
Describe it. मेरे बारे में आ गया ना ऊट पलट के.
ऊट पलट के कौन सी हिंदी है?
ऊट पलट के नहीं. क्या है? उल्टा.
घूम फिर के
क्या हो रहा है इसको? My relationship with Alia Bhatt, like you can see, is
ऊट पलट के.
jovial,
teacher. She's a teacher.
I am her teacher.
अच्छा, you are.
What nonsense? What have you taught me?
Teacher and husband. It's on the edge. मतलब किसी भी वक्त कुछ भी हो सकता है. And it is protective.
Okay, the next one is for Alia Bhatt. This is Varunian Forever. Ashi apparently. The name is Ashi. As you said that Varun became your friend earlier than Sid, what you felt about Varun when you met him first?
I think because Varun is probably younger and also like a child.
Younger than you?
No, younger in comparison to Sid. And also like a child, so maybe जब मैं I was also a child only, 17, 18 years old, very young. I was still young. I was younger then.
Right.
What I felt was he used to treat me like how my guy friends would treat me, like say like stupid thing.
Basically, I never treated her like a girl. I always treated her like a boy only.
Like an equal, and that's what I think we connected.
Always treat you like an equal, Mama.
That's what I'm saying. Like not like I'm a bachchi types.
No,
you treat me like a same age.
नहीं, मुझे पता था कहीं ना कहीं इनके अंदर छुपा हुआ है.
क्या?
एक एक्टर जो बाहर निकलेगा.
आपने डिस्कवर किया?
मैंने डिस्कवर किया था. आप करण जोहर से पूछ लो.
So will you agree with that he discovered the actor in Alia Bhatt
video? Okay. I'm ready to go on record and say this. You can ask Karan this, that he showed us Alia Bhatt's audition during Student of the Year, and there was many. Don't feel bad. There was some.
I'm not feeling bad. I'm just finding
there were some negative responses by people. I don't want to take names, but there was some negative responses, and I said कि ये, I said इस लड़की में वो बात है, and then Karan looked at me, इसमें तो बात है, but तुझ में क्या बात है मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रही. So there was.
मतलब अगले 15 साल के बाद में आप जो है कुछ एक
15 में मैं बोला कि 3-4 साल में देखो ये लड़की कहाँ से चली जाए.
You can look back and say that I was the one who.
Varun thinks everything in my life has happened because of him.
I don't say that, people are saying.
Varun, you said.
Alright, this is Afia from New Delhi. Next movie of Varun after Judwaa 2.
Love Afia. There is a film.
Shujit Sarkar, you're doing Shujit Sarkar.
I cannot talk about this.
Right.
I think let the production house and let the people involved talk about it. Something very special, very close to my heart. It's a very special subject, and
after Badlapur, a lot of people they've been waiting for
something different,
something different from you. So
soon
Shujit Sarkar's film will be that. This is Varia Walia. Varia Walia.
She related to Bunty Walia? No.
No. Arya, last time you traveled on bike was 10 years back. Is it true?
This bike you went on.
10 years back?
Oh, you said that someone. Varia
Walia. Yeah, because actually it wasn't 10 years back, but I mean like last time कि जब एक लड़का मुझे लेकर गया था like for a stroll.
Who was this guy?
One of my friends.
What was his name? I know it's not some stranger you went inside with.
I don't even know if it was 10 years exactly.
But what was his name?
I can't take names.
Why?
I don't think it's fair.
Where is he now?
Must be there somewhere.
Is he an actor?
No.
Is he a superstar?
No.
Don't lie.
He's not an actor.
I know who this boy is, by the way.
Who is he?
He's not from this country, he's from Dubai.
He's not
We've
from
spoken about him
Dubai.
before on this same interview.
He does not.
Alia.
There is nobody from Dubai. I don't even know anybody in Dubai. I just know the malls.
His name is Akmal. And
Akmal?
don't lie, Alia. And she was madly in love with him.
Akmal from Dubai. Okay, alright.
Last time you said the same thing. Then you and Arjun also went on coffee with Karan and said that I'm dating some guy from Dubai.
You are dating a guy from Dubai.
I'm not.
He has golden streaks in his hair.
I'll smack your face.
Alright, Koina Das for Varun Dhawan. On what basis do you select film? I think is a story. Am I right? Best of luck for BKD.
Definitely, I think story and character. Two things. Obviously, I look into key story kya hai.
Right.
Then I look into what is my character, that whether I have something to do in this story or no. And because I want to do characters that have a greater impact on the story, on the proceedings of the story.
Right.
If I feel I don't have anything to do in the story, फिर मैं film नहीं कर सकता. No matter how good a story is, but I want to do something in the film in which I can contribute also. So story and character.
This is interesting. Shaki Reen from Dhaka, Bangladesh for Alia Bhatt. Yeah. Have the rumors about you both ever affected your friendship with each other? Have there been rumors about you guys?
Never.
Huh?
Have there been?
Have there been rumors about us?
Yeah.
Yeah, there have been. But I mean, I've had rumors with everybody that I've worked with.
Quite a bad reputation.
It's not a good thing. But it's basically because we are because
you had rumors with everyone who worked with us.
most people, except for of course the obvious
Shahid was
one.
getting married. There was a rumor that
No,
time.
there was
a rumor
initially very faint rumors. Only for rightfully so, not with Randeep and Shah Rukh Khan, but that was fine. But all the young actors who there's a possibility of me having anything with,
Right.
they've
Who do you think spreads these rumors?
you.
Me?
Yeah.
What do I get?
Not about yourself, about other people.
I spread about
You're a rumor spreader.
About you?
You know.
Especially about you.
You're a tracker. The source reveals that you're the source.
I'll tell you a very funny story. It's not a rumor, but it's a fact that during Student of the Year, we were shooting in Bangkok and I was buying something and I lost my credit card. That credit card happened to be found with Alia Bhatt and she stole that card. And that's a fact, it's not a rumor.
You are basically calling me a thief.
Yeah, that's not a rumor.
I am not a...
You know you stole the
Okay, next question is something related to that. This is Ashi from Hyderabad. Any rumors? You know, you guys should think before talking because these things, they literally become viral actually.
Yes. They actually calling me a thief.
Okay, so that was in jest. That was in jest. Ashi from Hyderabad. Any rumors that you want to clear? Any confirmations that you want to make?
Any rumors that I want to clear? No, there's nothing I want to clear. Any confirmation I want to make? No, there's nothing I want to do. I don't want to say anything actually. I say what I want to say. I do what I want to do, and that's why I am what I am. I am whatever I say I am.
It's fine. We know who you are.
Who am I?
You.
Say it in the camera.
Okay.
Say it.
Lux cozy.
Okay. Lux cozy. All right. So now. And now, Varun Dhawan and you guys have been, I think you guys are extremely lucky in terms of this, you have like at least 2 songs.
We are talking about
we are only TRP. Yes, TRP हम लोग. You feel free. So basically, you have 2 songs which have really hit the, I think the Badri and Tama Tama. The way they are, I think they'll be like fire.
But you should hear a new song.
I have. I've seen that. I've seen that. Some very interesting. No, it is very nice.
But you feel ये दो बाप गाने.
These are going to hit the like.
Yeah, but that was also
out of the proportion.
I mean.
उसमें एक आपका वो आपकी एक लाइन भी है एक look and awesome जिस तरीके से आपने बोला है एक there's lyrics as well.
मेरा awesome.
हाँ, look मेरा awesome. Correct. It's nice. It's very nice. I'm saying in terms of that. 2 songs which will. Humsafar is very nice.
Humsafar Faridun is one of my favorite songs. But having said that, Badri Ki Dulhania.
It's something.
The day when it was made only, I said.
We were dancing.
I know everyone loves Tama Tama and it's a great song. But Badri Ki Dulhania it's got that वो चलत गाना है.
Absolutely. And you guys are having a Holi which is on a Monday.
Yeah.
So it's something that आजकल प्रॉपर डेट सेलेक्ट करना बहुत बड़ा क्रूशल है बॉलीवुड में. मतलब जान के ऊपर बनी होती है लोगों के. एंड यहाँ पर यू गाइस आर हैविंग लाइक अ सोलो रिलीज एंड यू आर हैविंग लाइक अ मंडे व्हिच इज लाइक अ होली. सो व्हिच इज आई थिंक ग्रेट इन इट्स लाइक अ 4-day weekend.
It's I feel the whole film in itself is like a festive film,
right?
And the whole film is like a festival. Just I feel when Suraj Bharjatia's films used to release, it was like a festival. It would be celebrated like that. And Karan Johar always says this, his words, not mine, that this is Dharma's first Rajshri film. And because the type of film it is, it's आज के टाइम में इतने urban films बन रहे हैं, and which is good. We are becoming a modern nation. We are moving forward. But this is something which is still happening in the heartland. This love story is a love story from the heartland between Jhansi and Kota, UP, Rajasthan, and we've tried to tap that, keeping our roots intact.
And these things are working as well. The heartland, it's definitely. I think Akshay Kumar.
You see Dangal, you see Jolly LLB.
Absolutely.
देख लो बजरंगी
These are working. Yeah, definitely.
I think it always works, and some of the biggest stars do that, and there's a reason because वो connect जो होता है फिर पूरे देश में होता है.
Absolutely.
It goes all over, and I think Alia and me both wanted to do something like that. Our film will cater to the whole country and not only one part.
Definitely. What the interesting part is, and the way people are reacting to it as well. Like you have done with say films which are slightly like say offbeat and critically acclaimed, and Alia Bhatt is like really something else. But this is like a commercial blockbuster. There's no doubt about
commercial film. ऐसे एक बहुत जोक है जो आजकल वायरल है कि बहुत टाइम के बाद हम लोग आलिया को हंसते हुए देख रहे हैं कोई फिल्म में. Because the last few films she's been, I mean the characters have been such that she has a lot of baggage on them and this and that. She's not done an all-out song and dance number in that sense,
Right.
इसमें full on Hindi film heroine.
It is full on commercial, but at the same time it has that feel of that Hrishikesh Mukherjee feel to it. That it is not maybe like a commercial film.
Correct. It's not.
But there is subtext into it as well.
Glad
definitely.
Yeah. Which is
that's Shashank, I think.
It's very heavy on emotion. Heavier than Humpty, in fact. Like Humpty was still थोड़ा सा वो.
There's a message in this film. There's a very powerful message in this film.
Message साथ में the writing is nice because ultimately it is no matter what you may be having, but it's the writing that brings you like the
writing has to be novel, new. It should be feel fresh.
Correct.
At the point it comes. Very true.
And even the chemistry that you guys are having, it is something which is like really crackling actually.
And it's difficult to recreate crackling chemistry with someone जिसके साथ आपने 2 फिल्म कर दिए, 6-7 एड्स कर लिए, 10-12 अवार्ड शोज कर लिए. तो we've spent so much time together. It's like it's face will still remain the same होनी ना, कुछ अलग नहीं होने वाला है. But put your tongue in. But it's. I think when I saw her as Vedhi, it was because of the writing, like you said.
Right.
And same with me for Badri. We just looked at each other as different people in this.
Yeah, we are. Very what.
And even that dialogue that you have, which is I think मर्यादा, I know this is very nice. That हम हमेशा ऐसा सोचते थे कि हम जिससे शादी करेंगे उसकी जिंदगी बन जाएगी, लेकिन जिससे तुम्हारी शादी होगी ना उसकी जिंदगी
के बाद हमको ऐसा लगता है कि जिससे तुम्हारी शादी होगी ना उसकी जिंदगी बर्बाद हो जाएगी, सॉरी उसकी जिंदगी बन जाएगी.
जिंदगी बन जाएगी.
Trying to be funny. Once again, failed at Varun Dhawan.
मैं आपकी तारीफ कर रहा हूँ, मैं आपके सुन लीजिए एक मिनट. So उसमें जो आपकी आंखों में जो आपकी नमी आती है, when you say that, you know that is the chemistry that we're talking about.
Yeah, no, but
कि वो आप मतलब it is not like a regular thing.
But I genuinely mean that also. It is coming from a space of honesty.
जी.
मैंने ये पहले भी बोला है, and not saying it to promote the film, but I think आलिया जिसके साथ शादी करेगी उसकी सच्ची में जिंदगी बन जाएगी, क्योंकि बहुत
तारीफ कर रहे हैं.
प्यारी बच्ची. What am I saying wrong in this? How am I wrong in saying a statement like that?
you're not wrong.
So I'm saying who you will marry, that man's life will be made. What is wrong?
I
with that?
hope.
We
to
all
be
hope
that
for his
person.
sake. He'll have to face some problems, but ultimately.
What problems, Varun? What problems?
Okay. I'm the peacemaker. My daughter loves the promo. Her name is Insha, and she has this question that will you guys be able to sort out the simple and the compound interest?
Oh, how sweet.
Compound.
But don't give the answer away. That people can't figure it out.
Or they can read a maths textbook. I don't know.
Okay. Now at the end of it, if you guys can hum a couple of lines from Tamma Tamma. I think it's something.
Humsafar.
You know, Tamma Tamma has another way feel of it. Seriously. Even your dancing just आप जिस तरीके के है, it is something else.
We did something new with it. We did
it is big screen.
We did little old school house in that. Right. Alia, you want to sing the song or you want to do the rap?
Yeah, rap.
Do the rap or sing the whole song?
Just whatever you
Let's sing the
feel
song.
What do you want to tell Farido?
नहीं,
आपके गायकी के तो बहुत फैन है. एक तो इधर ही बैठे हैं. I think you should go into Humsafar.
No, this is really good. After this, I really good. No.
For Farido, man.
No.
Talking film.
No. I think she's right. But let's end it on a high note.
Let's end it on Tamma Tamma.
On a high note. So thank you very much for whatever I think your fans have been expecting in terms of the Bebaki aap logon ki hai, which is simply wonderful, and I hope that they enjoy this interview as much as we enjoyed having conversation with you. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. All the best wishes. Thank you.
Comes out on 10th March, guys. Please go watch it.
10th March.
Always fun being on Talking Films with Farido.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.